The Honor X7b, the latest addition to Honor's 2024 lineup, is now officially available at authorized physical and online stores. Priced at PHP $8,999, this entry-level smartphone offers a lot of value for your money. Design. The Honor X7b in streaming silver features a metallic baby blue finish with a holographic sheen that shifts from blue to periwinkle. The back panel also includes flowing lines that move as you tilt the device, giving it a dynamic appearance. If this bold design isn't your style, the X7b is also available in emerald green and midnight black, which offer a more subtle look. The device has Honor branding on the lower left corner and a 108mm label beneath the triple camera setup. The dual nano SIM card tray is on the left side, with a hybrid slot that allows you to use a micro SD card for expandable storage if you sacrifice the second SIM. The right side houses the volume rocker and power button, which also functions as a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Although the buttons feel slightly wobbly, it doesn't significantly impact the overall user experience. Display. The Honor X7b features a 6.8-inch FHD Plus IPS TFT LCD display with a 90 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 850 nits. This level of brightness ensures the display remains visible even under direct sunlight. This year's model upgrades the selfie camera to a punch-hole design, replacing last year's teardrop notch. The display is larger, and the bezels have been slimmed down, offering a more immersive viewing experience. While the contrast levels are decent for an IPS panel, those seeking an AMOLED display might want to consider spending a bit more. The stereo speakers deliver strong mids and decent volume, but the sound can come across as slightly metallic and lacks clarity. However, the experience is still acceptable for most users. For biometrics, the Honor X7b offers both a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock, providing convenient options for different preferences. Cameras. The Honor X7b's camera system is led by a powerful 108mm f1.75 main sensor, supported by a 5mm ultra-wide camera f2.2 and a 2mm depth sensor f2.4. For selfies, it features an 8mm f2.0 front camera. The star of the show here is undoubtedly the 108mm main sensor, which delivers photos that are still impressive by today's social media standards. The camera app offers a variety of modes, including portrait mode, aperture mode for adjusting depth of field, and a pro mode for manual controls. Other notable modes include super macro, dual video, and high-res mode, providing plenty of options for photography enthusiasts. However, the 5MP ultra-wide camera is less impressive, especially in low to moderate lighting conditions. The images can be noisy, and at times, switching from the main sensor to the ultra-wide feels like stepping back to an older generation of smartphone cameras. On the video side, the Honor X7b can record at a maximum resolution of 1080p FHD at 30 frames per second with both the front and rear cameras. Interestingly, recording in HD or 720p unlocks a 21.9 aspect ratio, giving a cinematic feel to your videos. While video quality isn't groundbreaking, it's sufficient for social media and video calls. In summary, the 108mm main sensor consistently outperforms the ultra-wide sensor, delivering better results in nearly all situations. The ultra-wide lens is a nice addition, but there's room for improvement in future iterations. Video quality is decent, making it a solid choice for everyday use. OS and UI. The Honor X7b runs Magic OS 7.2 based on Android 13, offering a user-friendly interface with plenty of customization options. Although some UI animations can stutter when set to dynamic, the overall experience is smooth, especially when using the 90 Hz refresh rate. Honor has committed to providing quarterly security updates and typically offers 2 years of software and security patches for devices like the Honor X7b. This budget-friendly smartphone offers a solid design, decent display, and a capable camera system, making it a strong contender in its price range. Performance. The Honor X7b is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset, a 6nm octa-core processor clocked at up to 2.4 GHz, paired with an Adreno 610 GPU. In the Philippines, the device comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. It also includes an additional 8 GB of virtual RAM, though this can't be adjusted by the user. For everyday tasks like file transfers and running productivity apps like Google Docs and Sheets, the Honor X7b performs smoothly without any significant lag, even when using split-screen views and floating windows. However, when it comes to gaming, the experience can be hit or miss, particularly with graphically intensive games like Genshin Impact and Honkai. While Genshin Impact can run on the device, it defaults to low graphics settings, and bumping it up to medium at 30 FPS caused the phone to heat up quickly. On the other hand, lighter games such as Mobile Legends and Fall Guys run smoothly, and more demanding titles like PUBG Mobile and Farlight 84 are playable with graphics set to smooth. Battery. One of the standout features of the Honor X7b is its massive 6000 mAh lithium polymer battery, which supports 35W Honor Supercharge. This allows the device to charge from 8% to 100% in about an hour. In the PC Markwork 3.0 battery test, the device achieved an impressive result of 15 hours and 13 minutes. In a proprietary video loop test with brightness set to 50% and volume muted, the Honor X7b lasted 15 hours and 37 minutes. In real-world usage, the battery life was equally impressive, lasting about a day and a half under typical usage. Even with moderate gaming and navigation apps like Waze, the battery held up well. Connectivity. The Honor X7b is equipped with 4G LTE, as the Snapdragon 680 is not a 5G chipset. It also includes dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, and GPS, providing reliable connectivity for most online services and navigation. Call quality was also solid, with no significant issues. Conclusion. At a price of PHP 8999, the Honor X7b offers exceptional value for budget-conscious consumers. It delivers impressive battery life, a decent IPS display, and a usable camera system, making it a compelling choice in the entry-level segment. Whether you're looking for a device for basic phone functions, media consumption, or casual photography, the Honor X7b provides a satisfying experience without breaking the bank.